three Division I Upper Peninsula College hockey teams each had a chance to sweep their opponents at home this weekend. We'll start with Michigan Tech. The Huskies entertained Wisconsin. First period, no score. Riley Sweeney back to Daniel Sobas for the shot. Hancock's Tanner Carroll there for the second of the weekend. 1-0 Tech after one. Rookie of the week. Rookie of the week. Third period, tied at 1. Blake Kittle on the shot. Jacob Johnstone directs it in with his foot. No kicking motion. It stands 2-1 Huskies. Later in the third, the Badgers already had a goal waved off for goalie interference. Now Mark Zengerle, the Tyler Barnes of the equalizer with 2:07 to go. So we're into overtime. First shift, 20 seconds in. Whoosh! Captain Brett Olson on the wrister. Tech wins 3-2 to get the sweep.
We just want to come out there and have a good first shift, and it happened that we were able to get to the puck. The puck went around, Jordan came down hard, and we just outworked those guys below the goal line, and good things happen.
You know, we got the last bounce, and that's how it's gone the last two nights. We were fortunate to get the bounce on the goal, but I just thought a great hockey game, and real proud of our kids, real happy for our team.
First Tech sweep over Wisconsin since 2006. Huskies are 4-0 and visit Bemidji State next week.